Hey there, everyone. With the rise and fall of play to earn games at the height of the market, and especially on the Avalanche Network, I have no doubt that there's a handful of you who plunk some money into the idle play to earn battle game Crabada. So I thought I would make a short tutorial on how to add the Swimmer Network to MetaMask and bridge your Crabs, Treasure Undersea, and Crabada over so that you can continue playing. At one point, Crabada accounted for the majority of network play to earn traffic and was a major cause of the rising gas fees and overall bloat on the AVAX network. So, what they did was they rolled out a dedicated blockchain and Avalanche subnet. So, this is tackling gaming and meant to take some of the load off the contract chain. This is the Swimmer network. So, like me, if you played Crabada and then went and hid in a deep dark hole after the price tanked about 98%, now you're wondering what you're supposed to do with your crabs because they're still on the Avalanche network, that's what this tutorial is geared towards. So, the first thing we're going to need to do before we get started with any bridging is we're going to need to add the Swimmer network to MetaMask. So, we're just going to open up MetaMask. And once this is open, I'll expand the view so that we can add the custom RPC. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand view right here. I provided all the RPC information and ChainID information in the video description, so you can grab that there. But I would also recommend going to the Crabada.com, and it will be connecting Swimmer Network to MetaMask. You'll have all the necessary information, such as the network name, RPC, URL, chain ID, etc. So to add the Swimmer Network to MetaMask, what you're going to do is click in the upper right-hand corner, and you're then going to click Add Network. So what we can do here is we can copy and paste RPC URL, Swimmer Network, then chain ID, and everything's going to be priced in TUS. So here we go. And then you're going to save. So you'll see this is a good indication. This chain is currently used by the Swimmer network. You'll save this. I already have this added to my MetaMask. And then you'll be able to access it in MetaMask. So we'll just click over to see the Swimmer network and what it looks like. So right here. So that was pretty easy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to bridge your NFT Crabs, which I imagine are still on the Avalanche network. So what we're going to need to do is get those over. Just keep in mind, I had my crabs in the tavern where I was renting them out. So I actually first had to unstake them. So keep in mind, this is on the Avalanche network. Also, you cannot buy new crabs on the old Crabada marketplace. So this is strictly for those who have their crabs sitting idly or within the tavern and need to unstake them. One other final note is this bridge is one way. It's a final bridge to the Swimmer network. So once your Crabada NFTs are bridged, you cannot bridge them back to the Avalanche network. So the Swimmer network has some great resources on this, and it's a really painless process. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to swimmer.network/bridge. And when you're bridging your NFT crabs, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the Swimmer Bridge. These other two, LayerZero Bridge and Seller Bridge, these are for bridging the tokens such as Crabada and Treasure Undersea. So we'll do that shortly. So let's click on this. So this is pretty straightforward. You're just going to click continue. Make sure that you're always bridging from Avalanche mainnet to Swimmer mainnet. And then you'll have your NFT crabs here for display. And since I'm unable to access any of my crabs anymore because I actually bridged them over to the Swimmer network, I'm unable to show that. But so what you're going to do is you're going to select up to 30 crabs, which is the maximum amount you can bridge at a time. You're going to have connected your wallet in the upper right-hand corner with MetaMask. So you can see it up here. And then you're going to click bridge. And so after you bridge this over, it could take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes to actually bridge things over. Just make sure that you have some AVAX within your wallet to pay the fee. You're going to approve everything in your MetaMask wallet. So the final thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to look at how to bridge your CRA, TUS, and CRAM to the Swimmer network. So with that, we're going to go back to swimmer.networks/bridge. And for this, we're going to use the LayerZero Bridge. I've actually used the Seller C Bridge in the past, which was quite quick. It's currently under maintenance, but either one should work. So we're going to click Use. You're going to select the token that you want to bridge. In this case, let's choose Treasure Under C. It's important that you send Treasure Under C over to the Swimmer network because this is the token that's going to be used to execute all transactions and pay things like your staking fee, your renting out fee. I just paid one Treasure Under C to rent my crab out in the tavern. So we're going to choose, let's say, 1,000. And we're going to click Bridge. So you're going to confirm and approve in your MetaMask wallet. So this is going to have a small fee associated with it in AVAX. Once again, it's important to have AVAX in your wallet to approve this. And we're going to click Confirm. So bridging tokens can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. And it really is not a painful process whatsoever. And once you have successfully bridged them, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate over to Crabada, to the idle game, and you're going to switch over to the Swimmer network here. And so once you switch over to the Swimmer network, you're going to refresh things. And you'll see where your TUS show up. So it'll be very similar to when you first were playing Crabada. So I hope that helped everyone out. It's a pretty straightforward process. There's a lot of documentation. I've provided all the links within the description. Definitely let me know in the comments if there's any projects you'd like to see. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.